Welcome to this video on the philosophy, science, and art of chiropractic. I'm Dr. Kyle Murray here with AtlasBrainSpine.com, and today we'll be exploring the incredible world of chiropractic care and how it can help people achieve optimal health and wellness. First, let's dive into the philosophy of chiropractic. Did you know that the body has the innate ability to heal itself? That's right, our bodies are amazing machines that have the power to heal and regenerate. However, when there's an interference to the nervous system, such as an atlas subluxation complex, it can disrupt the body's natural healing process. That's where chiropractic care comes in. Chiropractors seek to remove this interference through skilled adjustments to the spine, which helps to restore proper alignment and function. Dr. D.D. Palmer, the founder of chiropractic, and Dr. B.J. Palmer, the developer of chiropractic, were key figures in the development of chiropractic care. This father-son duo believed in a vitalistic approach to healthcare, and that it takes into account not only the physical body, but also the emotional and spiritual aspects of the person's well-being. In fact, D.D. Palmer discovered that the nervous system was the key to understanding health and disease. By addressing the underlying cause of the health problem rather than just treating the symptoms, chiropractors can help people achieve optimal health and wellness. Now let's talk about the art of chiropractic. The chiropractic adjustment is a highly skilled and precise procedure that requires years of training and practice to master. Chiropractors use their hands to apply controlled force to specific areas of the spine with the goal of restoring proper alignment of the vertebra and restore function to the nervous system. This requires a deep understanding of the anatomy and physiology of the human body, as well as the ability to feel subtle changes within the body's musculoskeletal system. Research has shown that the chiropractic adjustment can be effective in treating a range of musculoskeletal conditions, such as back pain, neck pain, and headaches. But do not limit it to just that. The adjustment removes the cause of dis-ease within the nervous system and will have compounding effects on the entire body. More benefits for less work. Chiropractic care is safe and non-invasive, making it a popular choice for many people seeking natural healthcare options. Finally, I want to emphasize how passionate I am about the incredible benefits of chiropractic care. I've seen it firsthand how people can overcome chronic pain, improve their mobility, and achieve higher quality of life. By removing interference from the nervous system, chiropractic care can help unlock the body's innate healing potential and help people achieve optimal health and wellness. In conclusion, the philosophy, science, and art of chiropractic all work together to provide a holistic approach to healthcare that emphasizes the body's innate ability to heal itself. Today, chiropractors continue to help people achieve optimal health and wellness through the restoration of the nervous system, allowing for proper function to take place. This occurs because of the skilled art of the adjustment. Again, my name is Dr. Kyle Murray here with AtlasBrainSpine.com, and if you are seeking chiropractic care, feel free to give us a call at 909-982-9100 or visit that website I just mentioned, AtlasBrainSpine.com, to set up a free consultation. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, ring that notification bell so you can be notified on when future videos come out. If you have any questions or thoughts, please drop them in the comment section below and we'll get right back to you. And remember, when you begin to heal your brain, you will truly begin to heal your pain. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next video.